Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. The earliest form of writing, cuneiform, was developed by the Sumerians around 3200 BCE in ancient Mesopotamia, modern day Iraq. It was used to record transactions. This Bengal tiger received a gold fang after his original tooth was damaged from chewing on bones. The N in the 7-Eleven logo is in lowercase despite all the other letters being in uppercase. The earliest evidence of human habitation in India dates back to the Paleolithic Old Stone Age 2 million years ago period when humans used primitive stone tools. Buying things with physical cash makes you more happy, study says. If you started putting $6.35 in your savings account every day, when you turn 30, you would be a millionaire by age 65. Bollywood, based in Mumbai, is one of the largest centers of film production in the world, producing more films annually than Hollywood. Vietnam veterans recreate photo 50 years later. Pisang Tanduk, horn banana, possibly some of the biggest bananas in the world, found on the waterfront in Kuching, Borneo. Cristiano Ronaldo is the first footballer and third sportsman to earn $1 billion in his career while still actively playing. Meet the woman whose tongue is so long it nearly reaches her eyes. There are over 4,000 recognized religions around the world, each with unique beliefs, traditions, and practices. Switzerland is set to introduce the world's first solar panels installed along railway tracks. Blue penguins are the smallest type of penguins. Adults grow just to an average of 33 centimeter and 13 inches in height and 43 centimeter in length due to their small size and bright color. They are often called fairy penguins. AI will soon be able to translate what your cat or dog is saying to you. In December 2020, 83 out of every 100 holiday purchases were made online. In 1493, Columbus mistook manatees for mermaids and wrote, "They are not so beautiful as they are said to be, for their faces had some masculine traits." A turtle egg offers a wider variety of vitamins and minerals than a chicken egg, including almost twice the iron, twice the calcium, and 3 times the leucine, with approximately 1/4 of the cholesterol. Beautiful view of the Little Eiffel Tower, Echo Park, Kolkata, West Bengal. During the industrial era of the United States circa 1876-1900, juice of Eureka lemons was considered the standard medical treatment for plantar warts. This rare phenomenon happens when a mountain casts a shadow on clouds during a sunrise. The lid on a disposable cup that one can drink through is commonly known as sippy lid. Surprisingly enough, the woman who invented the prototype in 1987 was named Arabelle DCP. She patented her idea in 1991. There is a breed of cats called Munchkins. They have really short legs and are extremely adorable. According to the United States Post Office, 2023 saw the lowest amount of Christmas card mailings since 1944. The theatre masks of comedy and tragedy are well known, but classic scholars from the University of California, Irvine have discovered there was at one time A third theater mask, a mask to represent mundanity, looking like a bold, emotionless individual. Scientists want to shorten the duration of 1 minute to 59 seconds instead of 60. Earth is spinning faster now because north and south poles are melting, and as a result they want minute to be shorter too. Everything will be rewritten if it happens. The only time when more than half of the American public believed the Apollo space program was worth the cost occurred during the Apollo 11 lunar landing in 1969, with just 53% expressing approval. On January 22, 1943, the temperature in Spearfish, South Dakota rose from -4 degrees Fahrenheit at 7:32 a.m. to 45 degrees Fahrenheit, 7 degrees Celsius, a difference of 49 degrees Fahrenheit in just 2 minutes. In 1994, a 73-year-old man unable to get a driver's license traveled 240 miles on a 1966 lawnmower to visit his brother who had recently suffered a stroke at a top speed of 5 meters per hour. The journey took 6 weeks. Mike Tyson got his iconic facial tattoo in 2003. Initially, Tyson planned to get a series of hearts tattooed on his face, intending to create a softer image. Big dogs are more well behaved pets. Studies show bigger dogs usually have better behavior than small dogs, but it's not because they're inherently better animals, it's because of humans. We tend to put less effort into the discipline of little dogs. Have you heard about levitating light bulb, hanging light bulb? What does it mean? How does it glow? How does it hover in the air? Thanks for watching.